Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer ga jala uba FR Karkongor la Kyntu gi Kyrtong ha election Shiteng Samoi ni lightly gi constituency kata na mauring keneng mau plang bat rajabala begede bat long gi beladap Tika COVID khat kandai baro Arsien lani double dose vaccination kene gi jing Kyntu na uba FR Karkongor ko long ha ba ekran bo nongsai Hima ha ski ba ar adien bag Election Commission of India kalapan banai gi ski bat pelong gi election Shiteng Samoi Hagitegi constituency ki blasa thali khlem naumi khmat namar ka jingklat no ki MLA CEO long bagatnat election galong gabla pan khre ban pelong yak election Shiteng Samoi haringkat ki kendon ki bade ban bot perking namar ka jingpang covid khat khandai long ba ki kendon ki la don lut nadu ka jing perking ban pelong yak jelang patba lagadai hamadan badon shabar ni jaka hapo yeng Kasi tap vote na bata ka election Shiteng Samoi kan long ka lai pho trek risau but kasi no vote kan long ka artrik unai weng arjar arpuwei habaro lightly kini ki constituency
ti kumbala penbana ka election commission undak ski ka by election jong kini ki lightly ki seat ka maurkneng ka moplang bar ka rajawala artli ki seat apo iskhasil so ko apo wasgar hills kila penbet yagi tarek badi ka schedule kat kumga schedule wala aina election commission ka date of issue of gazette notification kila abu aka sitarik jung bulan Oktober ka date of nomination kila abu aka pratarik jung bulan Oktober hi ka date of scrutiny of nomination kila abu khatwai tarik last date of withdrawal pada ka de khatlai ka si the vote ni date of poll relai ko tarik jung bulan Oktober but ka si new vote ni ka date of counting kila abu aka tarik jung bulan November te kene ka date Habadai berkani ka election bere ko mengitip menta inang doni ha pareng jong ni ka COVID-19 te naliang jong ka election commission kila ai bon ki kendon lani ki broad guidelines habadai berka nomination na po election commission hapor ka pre but post nomination procession katu kila pendu no kan hundon shu ka procession but tang lightly ki kali kincha hapo ka siswa meter na ka office jong aro but berkenuno ke procession kinum syak so ko maju le menchwa e kadi ke campaign period pare kindon arjat ki campaign ke indoor but outdoor habadi ber ke outdoor kinsha 90% of allowed capacity leni arspa leni kanu ke bakhamduna whichever is less but ki political party ke maintain ko register ban count the number of people e habadi ber ke outdoor pare 100% jong kene ka capacity kinsha namta ki star campaign but kinsha sanspa or 1000 people or 1000 mut gibreo dani sanspa mut gibreo habade ki non star campaigner but ka area ba non campaign ru kadi non ka cordon mar ka barricade but kata ka cordon mar ka barricade ru ka jinglut jungsep kan bear ka political party concerned but tang gitu ki area ki ba don gini ki cordon gini barricade kinsha bagin don ga rally dani ga campaign te habari ber ki star campaigner habari ki national leading state recognized kinsha arpongun but ki state recognized pre lani ki unrecognized registered party kinsha arpongun but kanunu go road show ru kinum sha but kanu go bike rally cycle rally lu musha bodon gani ga COVID-19 pandemic ki street corner meeting ru kinsha tang sanpongun per cluster kata ru kasong ang jingdon jo jaka space do campaign ru kinsha tang samut gibreo kata kan kentup langmat candidate but ki representative ka campaign through video van ru kinsha tang sanpungut gibreo ha ko ke jaka ko cluster point but the use of vehicles for campaign kata ru kila restrict yang datang arpungut gibreo allowed per vehicle 50% of the capacity but poll day activity ru kinsha maximum early ki kali with 3 persons each to be allowed te hakaski nyo vote ru kindon ki COVID-19 protocol ki ban penjari naga liang jong election commission ki social distancing kumta ter but kumbangi la don kene ka COVID appropriate behavior kumodon menta ngihap deng ki mask ngihap don social distancing sanitizer thermal scanning ki face shield ter ini ki COVID appropriate practice baru gin kin long in enforce te hagju ko por ki candidate lani ki political party ki violate ki guidelines kinum yo permission show ban le no ga rally but la run kinum ki star campaigner ki violate ye covid protocol kinum yo permission show ban campaign te barkhoi ki polling personnel ki election officials ki belong engage in election duty ki have long ki belong double vaccinated but hagju ko por ki candidate election agent ru kinum ki belong in public contact kiru ye Kyntu ki begin long double vaccinated te baro ki ni ki kindon ki laran lupa naga state disaster management authority mo SDMA te kita ru kindang jari hi hakne ko por but kindiar ngaspa nong ba ko ban Kyntu ki pai ba naga liang jong election commission ki ko ban don ye ka triangle of safety nong no ka triangle of safety kamut hapoi ka liang ki don ki polling officials ki penya ya election on the other side ki don ki nong the vote and ki voters but the third thing but is the entire polling process te ka don ka rong no ka jingthmu but ka focus hakane ka ban strengthen ye ka triangle of safety aba ki nong the vote ki penya je election ki polling personnel but ka polling process hi kan long kabayat bet but kabayat menghapdenga menghapdeng gini protocols hamta mangidon hapdeng jo gini ka COVID-19 pandemic ini ki ready figures ngamdon because ngin sayo ki updated figures ngan inadon meeting bat ki DC gini kiski iban sawan menta te kumbang akan mau khaner khnsat te ki don hi kumbalai hojar tam hi kan kila banduna ro sapo rajabala but sapo marungkneng kindon hi between 25 to 30,000 I mean take a plus minus kan take the exact figures ngan say share with ping in the next press conference then naliang tung ki political parties in the meeting with DC but DC ru in the meeting with political party te kinsa ay kini guidelines jong commission but naliang jong ka jong political parties ru kan sedon ka jing Kyntu naliang jong DC ba kin habat ikini kindon bala bo po election commission banum tam ya ka percentage bala bo mo kumanta habam de election ru akpor balik mo shubodon ki baya brioru kila restrict kidan ki restrictive numbers mo ta apongot ini ki marriages ta san pongot mo te kumju hi mukaniru ka public gathering te what ki pajbaro dadon ga gajing thol ane ga funeral ki hapsin permission nei DC mo kyap pentip shwa but DC the incident commander EI permission mo ba na ya brio kimla ban don palat afongot ne don ba gajing tho mala on palat san fongot he ga jogur kamru ya gani ki political gathering ru kinnon ne ki kinnon